How to add education in Facebook profile. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add education in Facebook profile, open the Facebook application on your device first. Tap on the menu option from the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your name. Here you will see the details that you can add about yourself. Tap on the Edit Public Details option. Scroll down and under Details, you will see the option for Education. Tap on that. Under Education, tap on Add High School or Add College depending on the details you want to provide. Now enter your school or college name and then enter the year you went. Once you're done filling the details, tap on the Save button and then tap on the Save button again. Now if you go back to your profile and refresh your profile, you can see education has been added successfully in Facebook profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.